Hey, AT from CNC at Home. Remember this coaster? Yeah. Well, guess what? The number's wrong. Yeah. We've not only hit, but we have surpassed the 1,000 subscriber mark. So it's time to make a change to the coaster. I know I did a video on this before, but let's just do it real quick again. I'm just going to mask this off, paint it, throw it in the laser, make that slight little addition, 1,000 subscribers, and then clean the paint off. That's all there is to it. Let's get started.
The changes in light burn are quite simple. I copied the 500 subscribers line and made a 1,000 subscribers line, put it on its own layer, and set it for output. Before we can paint on the tile, we'll want to make sure it's nice and clean, so I'm taking some lacquer thinner and I'm going to clean off the area that we're going to paint for the burn. This will get rid of any grease or fingerprints so that the paint will adhere nicely. Now I'm going to grab a piece of cardstock and cut a rectangular opening in it for my mask. I'll use the tile itself to give me an idea of how wide this opening is going to need to be. I did end up cutting this a little bit smaller than I could have. The masking tape is going to use up some of the space, and the masking tape is there for masking. Once I get the opening lined up over the tile, I'll just grab some masking tape, tape it down, and then I'll be ready to paint. Let me move this up to the camera so you can see how this looks close up. I've masked off just underneath 500 subscribers, so when I paint this, it will just leave a little sliver where I will be able to do my burning to say 1,000 subscribers. That's all the paint we need. Clean the nozzle off real quick and remove the mask. Let me see if I can get this up to the camera so you can see the white paint on the white tile. There it is. With the tile in the laser, we're ready to start burning.
$1,000 subscribers. Who would have ever thought that we would have gotten to such a big number? I guess in the future we can look forward to even bigger numbers. This is just fantastic. I want to thank everybody who subscribed to the channel for your support and watching the videos, the encouragement, the positive comments. Here we have it. Let's see if we can get that 1,000 subscribers. Fantastic. Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.